On the end of that water line is a dishwasher, and they're notorious for their solenoids just shutting off that water so fast it causes a bang. If you missed it, here's it again. This time I waited for the furnace fan to cut off. Now I'm lucky I have the tools to do this. They do also make a shark bite version. I will leave a link to that down below. Alright, so I got myself one of these arresters, and we're just going to put that in the line and get that banging to stop. First thing I'll do is shut off the water main and drain the water. Next, I always seem to get wet doing this, so I've got a pail. I want it about there. Not too bad. And I'll take out a little section. Add a crimp ring. To both sides. Stick the valve in there. Adjust those crimps. That's about right. And we're done. We'll turn the water back on and see how we do. So water's back on, nothing's leaking. We'll call it good. So if you're not comfortable putting one of these things into your lines, then don't. Just call a plumber, and whatever the offending appliance is that's making that noise, they'll be happy to stick one of these in there for you. And it shouldn't cost you much because, I mean, you've seen how easy I did it, and I am just a regular Joe.